On this beach they have these huge sneaker waves which kills people every year. Actually 1 week after our trip one tourist died on this beach because of that wave. You have nothing to hold on to and it just takes you onto the sea. Remember, never turn your back on the sea and don't be stupid tourists like us. Weather here in Dyrhólaey was miserable, but it soon turned really great, and after that it again rained. But still, if you are on the island, wait just 5 minutes and the weather change. I wished I had a gimbal on this place, but after this trip I bought the RSC2 from DJI. Here I am out of breath and good reason to film some footage. I have no idea if you can hear me, but I'm top of this mountain and it's awesome. I can fly my drone, but I can't walk over here. We came all the way over there on that black sand beach and drove over there and walked over here. Here's one of those Instagram spots on that rock. I don't have the microphone on it. But that was such amazing location. No drone, but we went on the hill like it was a drone. Awesome place. It's a little bit windy, but not too much. And I see drone flying. But anyhow, we got amazing weather over here. A lot of aurora borealis, northern lights, and we have been lucky. Today is our last full day. Last night, tomorrow we leave like 3 or 2 p.m. on the day. So yeah, let's go back Reykjavik, our last spa hotel, and see if the water was once more before leaving this country. We visited the lava, but anyhow, everything else is nice. Before our flight, we went to check this erupting volcano. It was over a month ago, but still, at this point you can see the lava, but it was 1 kilometer from the parking lot and the signal was getting weak, so we headed back.